Welcome to My Project Ideas. This is an ongoing series on SAP UI5 projects. In this particular project, we'll discuss how to integrate Qualtrics in UI5 using JavaScript Snippet. So certainly we'll need a Qualtrics account. A survey has to be created on Qualtrics, and then we need to extract the snippet for the survey, and then we need the access of any ID, web ID or business application studio to write the code. So I will jump to the coding section. So before that, we will look into the prerequisite. So I will share the link of this particular portal where you can learn how to create a survey on Qualtrics. Simple steps are there to follow, and you can create a survey easily. And once you're done with the survey creation, the next step is that you get the snippet. So for that also, the steps are mentioned here. So once the survey is created, then you can just follow these steps. Like you need to go to settings, click on deployment, and then you will see this piece of code. So we have created one more video. We'll add the link of that video in the description, so you can follow that video to see or learn how exactly you can create a survey over Qualtrics. So survey is created, and then you got the snippet like this. Just copied the snippet. The next step is like you integrate that particular code in the UI5 application. So we have created a very simple application, if you can see that. So in this particular project, we have not added a multiple files, just one view, one controller, and within the controller, this is the piece of code. So actually, we have the snippet that is available over the Qualtrics. Just we have copied that snippet. Certainly, when you will copy the snippet, it will have something called script tag. That script tag is not required. Even HTML tag will be there in the end. I will show you how exactly it looks. So yeah, this is the example of a snippet. So these tags and these tags are not required. Apart from that, copy everything else and just paste it over here, and you need to just call the function. And there are two changes. So if I go to the end, so one unique code is there. This is something that you can get from the Qualtrics portal. But the important part of this link. This link is something that will come within the snippet. So actually, the snippet will have everything in place for you. So just telling you that these things are very important, because if we will miss this particular section, the code will not work. So if you'll see this example that is played over the website, this is empty. Like unique link, unique code is marked like this. But when you will copy the code directly from the Qualtrics, you will get everything in place. So you need to just copy and paste. Once you have pasted the same thing, no code is required in the XML part. So as of now, we have written everything in on init. So it means like whenever the program runs, it will be loaded by default. So if I just click on run, so you will see the Qualtrics is loaded here. When you click that, loads automatically. So the best part of adding a Qualtrics code via JavaScript is like this particular section is auto created. You don't have to write a fragment or a dialog box to add anything. So yeah, that's it. So in case I just use the iframe way to showcase the difference, let's refresh here. So same particular form is integrated in two ways. So if you see, this is the Qualtrics via iframe. This is the Qualtrics via JavaScript snippet. So for this particular integration, we have created another video. The link will be in the description. And yeah, that's the simple way of integrating Qualtrics into UI5 using simple JavaScript snippet. Thanks a lot. We'll meet in another video. Thank you.